welcome to McDonald's Crafting, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be making a sign with this piece of wood. I've drilled 2 holes in it and I'm going to put a piece of string around it to hang in the garden or just have a bit of fun with. And this is the sign that I've done. I designed this in Canva, and then all I did was I downloaded it as an SVG and then uploaded it into the software that comes with the Xtools D1. And now I'm going to burn it into this, or engrave it into this, using the Xtools D1. Before I go ahead and do that, what I'm going to do is just set all the parameters for this and also ensure that it fits where I've got it. So I'm just going to do the framing. Yep, that all fits. Put on my safety goggles because they are really important. And now just push the start button and that should just go off and start. So I'm going to leave that engraving, and then when it's finished I will show you what it looks like. Well, there we go, that's all finished now, so all I need to move is that and show you. So garden is so exciting. I wet my plants, it's finished with the flowers in it. And now all I need to do is to varnish this, which will give it a really good bit of protection, and then pop the string through it. And I will be using exterior varnish as well, because I think that's really important to use a good quality exterior varnish. And I'm also going to be using a yacht varnish, because this is really all-purpose and it's a really tough varnish. And I'm just going to spray that on. Now, I'll probably give this 2 or 3 coats of varnish, and all I will do is just slowly go over it like that. It doesn't need much, and that will allow that to soak in and give it a nice finish. But as I said, I'll probably give it 2 or 3 coats. Now, if you don't have spray varnish, you can always use a paint-on varnish. And if you don't have a laser, there are also products out there that you can use to burn on with that are brilliant. And I'm going to be showing you those in some upcoming videos. Well, that's all nice and dry now, and I'm really pleased with how that's come out. I actually put it on both sides because I thought if it twists in the wind or whatever, then you're still going to see it. And I made this side a little bit larger. Really easy to do and great fun as well. One of my quick little crafts. Now, if you don't have a laser cutter or a laser engraver, as I said, there are lots of ways that you can do this. You could even do it with a stencil. But I will be showing in a video how to do some wood burning using some chemicals coming up very soon. Please boot that like button if you've enjoyed this video. It really does help my videos to get out there. And I will leave links to everything that I've used today, including the laser engraver, in the description below. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and what other things that I could make like this, because I think I'm going to make quite a few different things to pop around and give to people. If you're a first time viewer, please hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Take care, enjoy your crafting, bye.